Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel at Lisa J's World. And if you're new to this channel and you like handbag videos, beauty, lifestyle, and inspiration from time to time, I encourage you to hit the subscribe button below and also hit the bell notification when you want to be notified when I upload a new video. So today's video is a part two of a 7-day bag challenge that was really fun. I was tagged by Determined to Be last week to choose a bag and to carry it for 7 days without changing. So the bag I chose, as you can see, was the Coach Dreamer in the color black. It actually has two straps to it that comes with it that they actually both come off of the bag. So what I did during the 7 days is during the week when I just did regular shopping and things like that and going out to eat, I just carried the leather strap. And then when I went to celebrate my birthday for dinner, I carried the chain strap portion of the bag. So in this video, I'm going to talk about what I carried in my Dreamer. She actually asked us about 4 questions on our carry for the week. And one of the questions was, what did you learn about yourself? I learned that I carry too much stuff. That's what I learned this past week. And then number 2 was what I realized about the bag that I chose. Um, it's not much because I went in knowing that this was a smaller bag than what I'm used to carrying. So as far as what I realized about the bag, um, it holds more than what I thought it could hold. It actually took me through the week without having to or need to change it out. That's what I realized about this bag. It actually was a comfortable carry. I've carried it shoulder. I carried it on my shoulder, which was very comfortable. I think I carried it about this long on my shoulder, so that was really nice. That I realized after my shopping day, I actually went out. I was taken out to breakfast, and then afterwards we did a little shopping after breakfast. And so I went in a few stores, and with just the shoulder strap, didn't crossbody the bag. It was comfortable. It was very nice carry. I was pleasantly surprised about how comfortable it was to carry. The only issue I had with it is that it wasn't an easy bag to get in and out of the car with. Because I'm so used to the satchels or your hobo where you just grab and go and throw it on your arm. This bag is not that easy. So it took a little to get out the car, to put it around me, to grab my other bags and stuff like that. But once I got it on my person, and then it was comfortable. Then it was a doable. It was just the grab and go portion of this bag that I found an issue with. Okay, so the number 3, the challenges I face. I think I just hit on some of the challenges about the grab and go portion of this bag. And any aha moments. My aha moment was that I really do carry quite a bit of things, but I did make it. I did make it out of this. Now, before I show you what I carry in her, I'm going to push her aside because I want you to see what I came out of, what I was carrying prior to the bag. And I was carrying this bag. Okay? So this is the Camden, the Florentine Camden in the color chestnut. And this is just the regular hobo size. I'm going to show you everything that I had to do. So I had to change out of this wallet because the wallet was a little too thick for the Dreamer. Okay. I had to take, I didn't carry this receipts. I had to take my dental floss out of here, the eyeglass cloth, and my small sanitizer I had to take out of there to carry into the Dreamer. I couldn't carry my catch-all. I didn't carry my contact lens or my EOS lip balm, my measuring tape. I did have a nail file. This is just another one I had. Um, and some scrunchies for your hair. The hand sanitizer spray that I normally carry, I didn't carry it. Okay, and I didn't carry my cosmetic case, and it had lippies in it, and I took my tablet headphones out of his case, and I put it inside of here because I knew I wasn't going to need to carry it, because I can't carry my tablet in that Dreamer bag. I didn't carry my eyeglass case, and I didn't carry this card case. I took some cards out of here and put in my wallet. So I wanted you guys to see first what I wind up foregoing in order to carry the Dreamer. So now that that's out the way, I'll put this aside. So in the Dreamer, I carried on the back pocket. So now that you guys seen this, I'm going to take this off because it's a little cumbersome with both straps on here and trying to talk at the same time. Okay. I'm going to take this off too. Okay. So in the back pocket, I carried my phone. And that's another thing. The lumpiness right here, I didn't like that part, but I got through it. Okay, so on the inside of her, as you can see, what I did was I changed into my slimmer wallet, which I carried on the back part of the bag. It was easy to get in and out because of the strap, and even without the strap, I could grab it without no problem. So this is a slimmer, my Coach signature wallet. So this particular one, it doesn't fold out into a billfold. You have to put your cash on this side here. Your cash in there. And about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 card slots, and a few other cards I put in the back slip pocket here. And the coins, there's a zipper right here for your coins. So this wallet is slimmer than the other wallet, because even though this seems small, it's a little fatter. So yeah, definitely a little fatter than the Coach wristlet wallet. So that's what I carried in the back. Now I carried in the zipper part, I use it as a catch-all because it has the nylon lining on the inside. So I carried my sanitizers, my small hand sanitizer here. I got my dental picks carried in there, a little medicine container, a compact lotion, a nail file. Now this is all in the catch-all area. I don't know why I carried this lip balm. I don't know how I got in there. But this is an accumulation of things throughout the 7 days. So remember that. So I have 3 lippies. I started out with 2. I had a lip gloss and I had a lipstick. And then I wind up with more. So I carried my mirror. Here's another lip gloss. I accumulated, probably got these from the restaurant. Some mints. Okay, another lippy. Wow, I carry around a lot of lip gloss and stuff. A lip balm from EOS. Eyeglass cloth. Some more mints. Okay, so that was all in the middle portion here. This is just a card, the Coach card that came with the bag. So yeah, that was pretty deep. So I carried 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lippies throughout the. I wind up with 2 and it started out with 2 and I wind up with 6 throughout the week. Okay, so then on this pocket here, carry just a few items. I have my contact case, my air freshener, my sunglasses, and my headphone case. So I'm only carrying my Samsung headphones in here. And that's all I carried on that part there. In the front pocket, I've taken it out. So I carried my mask in here. I had some receipts in here that I since took out. What else did I carry in here? I had this bag because I had extra mask in this bag. I know I just recently purchased a little small bag I'm going to try to use for a mask instead of carrying those Ziploc bags. So I don't have anything to put back in here. So I'll just put these items here until I'm ready to change out of her. Probably I'll change out tomorrow when I decide what I'm going to carry with me tomorrow. So I'm going to put her strap back on because she feels a little naked without the strap. I'm going to make it a short strap. Alright guys, so that was my 7-day bag challenge with the Coach Dreamer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you again, Determined to Be, for tagging me on this 7-day bag challenge. I did learn some things about myself and learned that I do carry a little bit too much. But I enjoyed this. This was fun. So until next time, guys. Bye.